गणाधिपाय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि।
Students, you observe here which lesson you started. If you start that lessons are there each and every day, you want to learn something. If you want to learn something, are there which point you can learn how to that. Before reaching to that point, today I want to recap. Those points are already completed from my side. Which are there? When you start that lesson, first of all, we study about what is the real meaning given by living world and classification of microbes. Afterwards, we learn what is the binomial nomenclature. Afterwards, we are learned past tense history, each and every definition which can be saying how mi come into groups and subgroups also complete. Next of all, we reach a number of signs: Kali, Occult, Cattle, Coconut, systematic representation done by R.H. Whittaker, they also complete. That's why this lesson not stop. He says that name of lesson is classification, nomenclature, arrangement, systematic development. That's why this classification once again restarted in the form of Protista, in the form of Monera, and third, yesterday we learned fungi, yeast, penicillium, aspergillus, mushrooms. We are detailed by experimental study in a laboratory. All are well clarified, well defined. Today we can discuss about another point. It is known as teaching point. Sir, what is this? It is known as, just I written that word, bacteria. Sir, what do you know bacteria? Is there any hint? Is there any idea? Is there any signal? As like the Protista, unicellular, Monera, microorganism. He says that I come down, I can be occur, I accumulate, accumulation in between 1 micrometer to 10 micrometer. He says that special range of variation in between that range. If mi occur, that time my name is the bacteria. Here is not experimental study as like the Protista and Monera. He says that if mi provided in between there, that time my name or myself call as a bacteria. Characteristics: they are parasite. Parasite means they are heterotrophic. Sir, what do you mean parasite? Whatever microorganism which can be injected through your mouth, if it is kept in stomach, that time all availability material, whether blood, whether undigested material, whether food, those you are eaten daily, it attack on them and live inside stomach. That's why they are parasites. And as like all, they are single cell. Same information come down from regularly like Protista, like Monera. Here is also single cell. Third of all, they are, which are they? They are independent. Sir, what do you mean by independent? They are not need for anything. Those preparations which I do, I have capacity to prepare myself. That's why one characteristic they can be observed by using unity. They are parasites. They are heterotrophic. They are independent. and they are single cell. That's my cat. Why? Sir, in between that range of, that's why I have no objection. They are small negligible distance. That's why single cell, right? They are also paracell. Why? They are not itself own to member. That's why they are heterolog. And second of all is there, they are all independent. If I live, if I destroy, if I spread, I have capacity to do any work. That's why they are all independent. Second of all, they reproduce oneself by one method they allow. Simple binary creation. What do you mean binary creation? Name suggests one information. What do you mean by? By is only two. Suppose that I can be drawn one unicellular amoeba. It is the parent amoeba. That's why father and mother play as a role. One son. I want to create into two. That's why two means binary. That amoeba divided into two daughter amoeba. One parent amoeba can be divided into two daughter amoebas. What is the plural form? Amoebas. A-M-O-E. B-R-E-S. Amoebas. Amoeba. Two daughters are created. That's why it is known as binary. I divide myself by using only simple method of reproduction. It is known as simple binary.